Yeah, morning all. So before I start, can anyone please confirm whether my voice is clear, right?
Yes.
Fine, thank you. So I showed the installation of Python, these things, right? And how to define a variables in Python, what happens internally when we define some variables. So whenever we install Python, right? Yes, you can just check in the start programs. You can see all apps within that. You can see like Python 3.11 we have installed ideally, right? Click this ideally, Python shell gets open, right? Python shell gets open. Within that Python shell, right? We can work with interactive mode. If you want to work with batch mode, save file, new file. As I was discussing, there are two types of data types, fundamental data types and collection types. Object holding single value, fundamental type. Object holding group of values, collection type. Right. Yes, 1 second. Fundamental data types, right? 5 types: integer, float, boolean, string, complex, right? Yes. Yes, fundamental data types. X equal to 10, X equal to 10, Y equal to 4.5, Y equal to 4.5, Z equal to a string like hello. X has 10, Y has 4.5, Z has string, right? P equal to some true boolean type. And for example, complex data type, right? W equal to some real plus imaginary 3 plus 4j, right? Yes. Print x comma type of x. Type of x is what type? Type of x is what type? Yes, try to answer. As you are assigned an integer value to x, type of x will be integer type. Type of y will be float type. Type of y is going to be float type. Type of z.
String.
Z comma type of z will be what type? String type. P comma type of p, right? Type of p is what type? Right. Boolean P comma type W comma W type of W, right? Type of W is what type? Complex type. Type of X is integer, type of Y is float, type of Z is string, type of P is boolean, type of W is complex type. Yes, save it, save it, file save, right. Python ATM, right? Yes, say fundamental data types. .py, right? Yes. Run module. 10 is integer, 4.5 is float. Yes, hello is string, true is what? Boolean, and 3 plus 4j is what? Complex type. Integer, float, string, boolean, and complex. Here instead of I in complex, we don't use I, we use j here. File, new file, right? Okay. Next is more discussion on string data type, right? String indexing, string slicing, string functions, string methods, and string special characters, right? Yes. A string is sequence collection of characters. It's a sequence collection of characters, right? Yes. In Python, right, a string is represented. A string is represented using, right? First, using single quote. In this way, right? Using double quote, right? Using triple quote, right? Using triple quote, right? Yes, single quote, double quote, or triple quote, right? In Python, string represented using single quote. For example, single line string means you can go with single or double quote. For multiple lines of string, go for triple quote. Each character of a string, each character of a string, each character of a string is represented or accessed, is represented using a unique index, using a unique index. String supports two types of indexes. String supports first one, positive index, negative index. Positive index or forward index, we say. Negative index or backward index. This is starts from left side to right side. Indexing starts from left to right. Index starts with 0, right? Yes. Here starts from right to left. Okay. So just observe this example, right? Yes, to understand this indexing, right? Forward index, backward index, right? Positive index or negative index, right? Yes. In string, for example, x equal to Python. Within double quotes, if you write Python, right? Yes. Yeah. Within double quotes or single quote, we represent a string, right? Yes. So you can say like Python. Python. Python, right? Python. The address is given to X. Okay. Indexing, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Every character is identified by an index, right? Positive index or forward index starts from left side to right side indexing. This we call it like positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. Positive index or forward index. -1, -3, -4, -5, -6. Negative index or backward index. Positive index or forward index, negative index or backward index. Okay, fine. X of 2 equal to t. What is the value of x of 2? It's t. What is the value of x of 3? Yes, everyone try to answer. If you want to access a particular character, x of 3 value is what here? Right. X of 3 value is what?
H.
H. X of -3?
P.
-3.
H -3. H.
H, right? So you can use any of this. T, H, H, right?
Just so.
Fine, that's fine. So either positive index or by a negative index. You can ask. Already we have positive index by again negative index, right? We already got positive index by again negative index means if you got a very big string of more than 100 characters, I want to print the last character using positive index. Try to say using positive index, I want to print the last character. It's difficult, right? If we say a -1, if we say -1, right? Negative index prints the last character. Right. Okay. Fine. Positive index or forward index. Okay. 1 second. Now, single line comment in Python starts with hash symbol, right? It's not executable. And multi-line comments, if you want to comment all these lines, not to be executed, right? So just start with triple quote here, end with triple quote. That's it. Start with triple quote, end with triple quote. X equal to Python, right? X equal to Python. Print X means it prints the entire string. Print X, print type of X, right? Type of X is what type, right? Type of X is what type? String, str type. Print address of X, where exactly it is stored, right? Print X means string, type of X, string type, address of X, where exactly it is stored, right? Len of X. Is my voice clear to all, right? Can everyone please confirm? Is my voice
Yes,
clear?
sir, clear.
Yes, sir.
Print X, type of X is string type. Len of X is what? Length of this number of characters. Number of characters, right? Within this. How many? Six characters, right? 6 characters. Number of characters are 6 characters, right? Yes. Y equal to programming. Y equal to programming. Print X plus Y. X is one string, Y is one string. Print X plus Y means we call it as like concatenation, right? X plus Y is what? Concatenation, adding two strings. Adding two strings. First string followed by second string. Adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Python programming, right? Yes, Python plus programming, Python programming. I want space between Python and programming means add 3 strings. Python X is one string plus space is one plus Y, right? X is Python space and Y is what? Programming, right? Yes. Okay. Concatenation, adding two strings, first string followed by second string. Next, string slicing. We have got like string slicing, right? Yes. Extracting particular portion, right? Extracting particular portion of a string. Okay, for example, X equal to Python program. We have got what? Python program, right? Yes. Print X means prints the entire print X prints the entire string as it is. Now try to slice extract only Python from this. extract only Python from this, right? Yes. Extract Python, print, try to say, right? 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So what I need to say, print x of 0 to, yes, 0 to 0, see here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 0 to 6 I need to say, not 5. So here this we call it like lower bound. This is upper bound. Always upper bound is excluded. Always upper bound is excluded, right? Excluded. If you give 5 here, 5 gets excluded, up to 4 only it will consider. You won't get this n, right? You won't get this n. Okay. Now just observe this. Okay. Extract the middle portion of the string, right? PROG, right? Now just try to say extract, right? PROG. Excuse me. Yes, extract this PROG only, right? These 4 characters. Try to answer. I want everyone to interact, right? Yes, print x of, yes. Only these characters, 4 characters only.
0, 6 to 30. Yes, 6 to.
Even the space also takes index, right? Even the blank space also will take
7 to 12.
7 to, yes,
10.
everyone.
10.
No.
11, sorry, 11. 12.
7 to
11.
11 it is. Seven to 11, right? Yes. You want a 7, you want 8, you want, just observe 7, 8, 9, 10. 11 excluded, up to 10 to be considered, right? Yes. Now, what if I say print x of 11 to 7 in the opposite way? 11 to 7, if I say 7 to 11 means PROG, you get PROG. If I say in the opposite way, 11 to 7.
I think it won't print, sir.
Yes. Empty string you get, right? Yes. Empty string. Why empty string? Because
They will confuse.
always slicing in the, see, if you got some background noise, you can just give a response through short panel. Otherwise, you can just unmute yourself and you give a response through voice. But if you got any background noise from the side, you can give response from the chat. You can type your response in the chat, right? Empty string, because always slicing in the forward direction, slicing in the forward direction, right? Yes. If you go in the backward, PROG means it's forward direction, right? Yes, it is. Fine. 7 to 11, right? This was 7 to 11. 11 to 7 means empty string because slicing always in the forward direction. If you go in the backward direction, it returns an empty string. Just check this out. Right, right? Yes. Run model. Check this output, right? PROG is that this empty string, right? 11 to 7. This 7 to 11. This is 11 to 7, right? 11 to 7 is an empty string. You cannot go in the backward direction. It gives empty string. Now, extract PROG using negative index, you say, right? Extract PROG using negative index, everyone. Try to extract this using negative index. Try to answer, right? Using negative index.
-7 and -4.
Yes. X of -7 to, yes. -4 is wrong.
-1, -5, sir.
-7. See, -1, -2,
One,
-3,
-2,
-4, -5,
Yes, yes.
-7 you want, -6 you want, -5 you want, -4 you want, right?
Yes, sir.
-3 you need to, -3 excluded, right? Up
Yes.
to -4 it will consider, right? Just observe this output, PROG, everyone. Any query in anyone? Anyone has got any query in this negative and positive indexing, slicing? Okay, PROG, right? Yes.
So for negative indexes also, the last index will be excluded, sir?
Exclude, yes, yes.
Okay.
So using negative index also, you should slice in the forward direction. In using negative index also, you should slice in the forward direction. -7, you are going in the forward. -7, -6, -5, -4. You need to give -3 excluded. Now next, extract the entire word program. Extract the entire word program here, right? PROGRAM, right? Yes. Extract the entire word program. Try to answer. Print X of using positive index, you say me first.
Seven and 13, column 13, sir.
7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13.
Sorry,
13
14.
M will be excluded, right? Yes.
Yes, 14.
Okay, if I give 14 index is not available, right? Up to 13 only available. 14 can I provide? Yes. Because 14 we won't access. Up to 13 only it will consider. 7 to 13 means program. Otherwise, shortcut to it. Print X of 7 to. Don't give the upper bound. It will read up to the end of the string.
Last
Seventh
index.
to end, right? These both are fine. Using negative index, you say me everyone, right? X of, right?
-7, column
X of
-7.
Yeah, -7 colon, right?
If you
-7,
leave the index, then what happens, sir? If
yes.
you don't provide anything.
Yeah, -7 to this is the only one, right? So if you use -1 means again M will be excluded. -7 to this. Run module, right? Yes. program, right? The output is what? Program. Now, if I ignore this lower bound, what is the output you get? Lower bound, if I'm ignoring, not giving this lower bound, right, and just giving 6. So it will extract from start of the string to 6th index. 6 will be excluded up to 5, it will consider, right?
Python, sir.
Sir,
Python.
up to PYTHO.
Yeah.
Sir, Python it is.
Yeah, the
So,
output is Python, right?
Python.
Same thing, similar to this, right?
Yes, sir.
Means even if you're not giving lower bound, it reads from the start to 6th index, exclude up to 5, it will consider. Python is the output. Now, if I ignore both, right, what is the output I get if I ignore both?
Whole string will be printed.
Entire string will be printed. X of whole string you will get, but is it compulsory to give space here? Not compulsory, right? It's not compulsory to use spaces here. Right.
Okay.
Sir,
what is the difference between the above one and the below one, sir, which you just typed without space and with space?
Same, both are same. These 3 statements results the same output.
Thank you, sir.
Print X, even if you no need to Q colon also, right? Print X. And this 4 statements, last 4 statements results the same output. X of 0 to remaining, right?
Palakurenko?
Please be in mute. Okay. Please be in mute. So this, right? Yes. This last 4 statements results the same output. Yes. Now, right? Can I take the combination of negative and positive index like this? Print x of -7 to 11, is it valid? If can I take the combination of negative and positive index? -7 to 11, -7 means P. 11 means what? R. Is it valid? -7 to 11. PROG is the output. Yes, it's valid. We are going in forward direction only. It's valid. PROG, right? Yes. -7 to 11, right? Yes. Okay, PROG is the output. Similarly, like, can I give like this? Print X of 0 to 14 with the increment of 2. 0 to 14 with the increment of 2, right? Yes, with a step of 2. So 0 to 14 with the increment of 2 means, right? 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, 12 index. 0 index, 2 index, 4 index, 6 index, 8 index, 10 index, and 12 index. Okay. Only even indexes. If I give 3 here, 0 index, 3 index, 6, 9, 12. So it is going to read only the even indexed characters. Here only even indexed characters, right? P next T O space R G A. Instead of 0 to 14, instead of 0 to 14, I can also give in this way, right? Print x of colon 2. What is this? What is the output, right? What is this indicates? Entire thing 0 to 14, or this both are same. These two statements results the same output, right? Next, print x of reverses the string, reverses a string, reverses a string. What is the string? Python program, right? It reverses the string. If I say in this manner, reverses the string. Python program. So this indicates what? Entire string colon this entire string with a decrement of -1, with a decrement of -1, right? Okay. Now, palindrome. There is a palindrome. What do you mean by palindrome? Anyone? Palindrome. If we reverse a string, right? So I'll take up to 920. Just take the session up to 920, 20 minutes extra. If we reverse a string, we need to get the same string. Then it is a palindrome, right? If we reverse a string, we need to get the same string. Then it is a palindrome, right? Example of this palindrome, anyone? If we reverse also, we need to get the same string. MADAM, madam, right? If we reverse also, you will get the same string. Any other? Malayalam. What is this? Malayalam, right?
Rotator.
What is it?
Rotator.
Rotator. Rotator, you are saying, right?
Yes.
Yes.
Noon. Noon.
NOON, noon. Okay, in this way, right?
Radar.
What is it? Radar.
Radar.
RADAR, radar. Okay. For example, x equal to, I'm taking MADAM, right? MADAM. Yes. If I say print x, it prints the string, madam, right? If I say x, reversing means this. What is this? Reversing. Reversing, right? And store that output in y. Store the output in y. Print y. Both x and y resulting the same output, right? Reversing, and this is what x is a string. This y is what the reverse string. Both prints the same output, madam. So it's a palindrome. So both are printing the same output, right? Yes. So this is slicing, indexing and slicing, right? Extracting particular portion of a string, right? Yes. We have got some string methods, right? Next is like string methods. We no need to write huge codings in Python. We have got predefined methods available or from these operations, like first one, upper. To print in uppercase, right? To print in uppercase, x equal to, I have taken a string like this, SCT name. Print x dot, I want the Hyderabad in the uppercase, x dot upper, that's it. X is the string in upper, right? X is the string in upper, that's. Check this. Next, lower. To print in lowercase, right? Yes. X equal to Mumbai. There is a Mumbai, right? Print x dot lower. What is that? Print x dot lower, right? Yes. X dot upper, x dot lower. Mumbai in uppercase, it converts to lowercase. Observe this example, right? X equal to India. I want only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Only the first character I only should appear in uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases.
Can we use slicing in this, sir?
My query is only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all should appear in the lower cases. For that, we have what a special method, right? Right. X dot capitalize. Capitalize, right? Yes. Just observe the output now. X is what? India. India in capitalize, right? Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases, right? Only the first character I in the uppercase, remaining all in the lower cases. Okay. So what is that? Capitalize. We have got a method called capitalize. For capitalizing the first character. For capitalizing the first character of a string. Next, okay. For example, I got a title, right? Yes. For example, x equal to good morning, Hyderabad. Good morning, Hyderabad, right? How many words are there? How many words are there? Right.
3.
3 words.
Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, I want uppercase. This H in uppercase, G in uppercase. So for that, print x dot title. If I say capitalize, only G appears in uppercase. But here, each and every word, how many words are there? Each and every word, first character in the uppercase, title, G, M, H. Where you can ask where this title is useful means, for example, I got employees names are like this, employee names. Rahul, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Amar. So in this way, I got some hundreds of names, employee names, right? Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase I want. Each and every employee name, first character in the uppercase, right? Yes. So for that, what I should say, print emps dot title, emps dot title, right? Yes. That's it. Each and every hundreds of names also figured, right? Rahul, all in uppercase, Ajay, Blake, Miller, James, Amar. For capitalizing, right? For capitalizing. For capitalizing the first character of each word in a string. Next. We have got swap case. We have got a method like swap case, right? For converting one case to another case. For converting one case to another case, right? X equal to, like, for same thing, right? Good morning, Hyderabad, right? If it is in lower case, it converts to upper. If it is in upper, it converts to lower. X dot swap case, right? Yes. It converts one case to another, right? If it is in lower, converts to upper. So I'll take 15 minutes more, right? So count, right? Yes. To count the number of occurrences, right? Of each substring or a character, right? Yes. 1 second. Okay. To count the number of occurrences of each substring or a character, equal to, right? For example, just I have taken a normal string, hello, 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 right? How are you? X dot count of the word hello, right? How many times the word hello? 3 times. Print x dot count of this character h. Okay, x dot count of hello, right? Yes. X dot count of hello, x dot count of h. Count of hello is what? 3. Count of h is what? 4. Yes, yes. Yeah. Kiran Kumar, right? Yes. The actual class timing, right, will be at 7 a.m. From next class onwards, the class will be at 7 a.m., right? The link will be changing for the next class. The class will be at 7 o'clock in the morning, 7 to 8, up to the end of the session, right? Up to end of this course, 7 to 8.
Thank you, sir.
Okay. Count of hello is 3, count of h is 4, right? Just observe this, run model. Count of hello is 3, count of h is 4. Next, there is one more method, right? Yes. Replace. There is a method called replace. For replacing a portion, for replacing a portion of a string. X equal to Java is easy. I got a string like this, print x dot replace. X is the string, from that replace Java with Python. The word Java replace with Python, right? Yes. Yeah. What is the output you get? Python is easy, right? Replace the word Java with Python, you get the word Python is easy. For example, Java is easy and Java is simple, right? Yes. And Java is simple. So what is the output you will get? Java is easy and Java is simple. Will it replace each and every occurrence of Java with Python, right? Yes. Run module, right? Yes. Replaces every word Java with Python, right? Java is easy and Java is simple, right? Yes. There is a method called format method, right? There is a method called format for substitutions. X equal to, within I'll bring curly bracket like this, is the captain of Indian team, is the captain of Indian team, right? Yes. So now what I do, fill up the blank, just like fill up the blank, right? X dot format. Who is that? Rohit. That's it. Replace this for substituting, right? Rohit is the captain of Indian team. Output, that is the output, right? Any name you can provide. Next, one more example, right? Observe this, y equal to now try to make some meaningful sentence from this, right? X dot format, X dot format. Yes. First substitution Modi. Second substitution PM. Third substitution India. What is it? Modi is the PM of India. Yeah, Modi is the PM of. Next, we can go with multiple things, right? Print X dot format. Delhi is the capital, right? Delhi, capital, India. Multiple substitutions. Print X dot format. Not X, it is Y, right? Y dot format. Y dot format. Y dot format, right? Yes. Rohit, comma, Captain India, right? Yes. What is the output? Modi is the PM of India. Delhi is the capital of India. Rohit is the captain of India, right? Yes. We have what a method called strip method for removing the blank spaces, before and after the string. For example, x equal to, I got this much of space. Good morning, Hyderabad. I got a string like this. So just print only Hyderabad here. So I got this much of blank space here, this much of blank space after it, right? Print x comma len of x. Length of x means including the blank spaces, the length including the blank spaces. X dot strip, remove the blank spaces before and after, right? And store the result in y. Print y comma len of y. Y comma len of y, right? Len of x, right? Yes. Run this. So what is the length previously and what is the length now? Right. So previously the length was 46, including the blank spaces before and after, right? Now just you say strip, it removes the blank spaces before and after, right? The length is 22 now. Nearly 24 blank spaces got removed, right? Before and after the string. Next, we have what a method calls. If we split a string, if we split a string, we get a list. Observe here, if we split a string, we get a list. X equal to, for example, good morning, Hyderabad. If I split it, x dot split, if I split a line, you will get words, right? Split based on space, because here space is the x dot split based on space. Split this line, you will get words. What is type of y here? If I split this line, you will get words, list of words. How many words? 3 words, right? Print y comma type of y. Type of y will be list type. So if you split a string, we get a list answer. If you split this, you will get a list of, if you split, you will get y is a list of 3 words. Okay. Okay, fine. Now one more example, right? Example. EMP, employee details, like employee ID 101, employee name Rahul, salary 70,000, designation manager, right? Yes. So now I want to print only Rahul and manager, right? Only these two. So what you can do? How to print this name and designation? If I split it, EMP dot split, based on comma, I need to split. Based on comma, if I split, right? You will get what? Words. List of 4 words you will get. list of 4 words, store it in variable y. Print y comma type of y is what type? List type. List also will have index, right? List also going to have index. Check this output, right? Run module, right? ID, name, salary, designation. See, list of 0 index, 1 index, 2 index, 3 index. So which one you want? 1 index you want, 3 index you want. And y of 1 and y of 3. Run module. Is it Rahul manager, right? Rahul manager. So this is what split method, right? Yes. We don't need to write huge codings here in Python. We have got inbuilt methods. One, we have got like find to check whether a substring is available or not. To check whether a substring is available or not, right? Available or not. If found, it returns the first character index, position, right? Index position. Else returns -1. If it checks whether substring is available or not, if found, if the substring returns the first character index position, else returns -1. For example, x equal to, I'm saying like Python is easier than Java. Print x dot find. I want to check for a particular word like Java. Yeah, if Java is found, if Java is available, it will return the first character means J index position, it will return. Otherwise, it returns -1. Yes, what is the J index position it is going to return? Yes, Java is available. Dot find Hadoop not available, right? It returns -1. If it is not available, it returns -1, right? Yes, run module. Okay, find Java, find Hadoop, right? Yes. If it is available, it returns the index, otherwise returns -1, right? Yes. Twelfth, right? Starts with, ends with. Starts with, ends with. I'll take the same string, right? I'll take same string, right? X starts with, x dot ends with, right? Ends with Java. Yes, it returns true. True or false it returns. Print x dot starts with, right? Yes. Starts with Python. Yes, it starts with Python. It's true, right? It returns true or false. Yes, run module, right? Yes. So both are returning true, right? Yes. Yes. So these are the various here: capitalize, title, swap case, count, replace, format. strip, find, starts with, ends with, right? Yes. So these are what you need to write in Python. So as I said, right? Yes, sir. Next class will be on Monday, right? So the link will be changing, right? So everyone need to get enrolled. So for getting the link, right? Don't forget to share the payment details, right? That whatever the paid details through screenshot. Send your screenshot of your payment to that mail ID provided, right? You can see that payment details and procedure. They forwarded in the chart. In the chart panel, you can see the payment process procedure, and they have given their numbers, contact details of the online team. Send the screenshot to DURGASOFT online training. You can see the process and procedure, right? Yes. Okay. So they'll forward you that video links also, right? They'll provide the video links to your mail IDs, right? You can check the video links. And from Monday, once the link is changed, you will be getting the videos to your Google Drives. Every day, one video will be added to the Google Drive. Yes. And a WhatsApp group will be created for the technical discussions, other things, right? Yeah. Any queries from your side? Anyone? In the course content, we'll be discussing in brief related to Python core advanced application oriented models related to different domains and how to create our own modules, and also people who go for full stack, right? Yes. Django will be covered, and this UI technologies like HTML, CSS, everything is going to be right. Yes. Any queries? So we won't see much coding in Python. Yes.
Sir, I need to talk you after the personal call. It's possible?
The contact details are given, right? Contact details, online team.
I
can
need
see
to
that.
talk to you, sir, on a
Yes,
personal
yes.
issue.
You can call them, right? They will arrange a call to me, right?
Okay.
So you can just call to those people. They will arrange a call, right?
Sir, I need the evening batch. So for that, I need to speak with that the online team, or what I need to do?
So you want like evening 7 p.m. is going to start from this Wednesday, right?
Yes.
Okay. So yes, you can okay. You can talk to that online team, right? You can see that you can follow that link for that evening batch, and you can go ahead with that.
Okay. Thank you, sir.
Okay. Okay. So if I'm done with your queries, right, then I'll sign off for now. Meet you on Monday, right? Same time. So not same time. It will be at 7 o'clock, right? 7 to 8. It goes up to the end of the course. It will be same time, right? 7 o'clock in the morning. So get enrolled, and for getting this clear, this notes, whatever we are seeing, right? This notes, this notes also I'll be forwarding to you. .py files for getting the notes, videos. Fine. Okay. I'm stopping for now. Right. Thank you.